Alright, I finally get to open my new mini Z stand from Derek Tesla. Appreciate it, man. Let's see what you got here. It's pretty sweet, man. Got the post. I got them send me two different posts, a black and a red one. Got them also customized for me. Do great 3D print work. Y'all can see it. I see Google. I got them to put on there for me. Let me see. Focus in on it. Let's see it a little better. I see Google. Appreciate it, Mr. Tussle. Looks good, man. Y'all probably see it better right there. Excuse the mess. I'm doing my LM conversion, so I got a lot of stuff in the way. But there you go. You can see it better. I see Google. Appreciate it, man. It's nice. Got also your little plate for the top. Nice little burn. There's my red post. Let's get that out there. Show y'all. Well, actually, I don't even have to take it out there, but everything is nice and compact. You can slide it all back together. But I'll just use the black one since I got it out already. Pretty much stick it in the hole right there. And it also has a screw in the side right here. You can put in your posts. I'm just giving y'all an example. Put your top on, put your screw on the top. Spins pretty fluidly. And let's see. There you go, you can see it. It's perfect, man. Pretty good idea. I tried with the McLaren 12C. There you go. Oh, that's a nice close-up to it. Increase your bid car. I'll be converting this one to the Easylap, so about 98mm. But anyway, love the stand, man. Works perfect. Might as well leave this right here. So about to start this build for this pro stock. Appreciate y'all watching. Like and subscribe. Enjoy your day.